Hey YouTube, welcome back to yet another video. So today I wanted to show you how I did this simple, super cute cherry blossom nails. That's my inspiration right there. Arizona can design, whatever you guys want to call it. So I did go in with my green. I mixed some white because the green I did have was a little bit darker than the can. So I just mixed some white into the polish and it came out perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the smile line for all the nails and I'll be right back. So I'm actually really bad at doing Frenchies. I don't know, I just can't seem to ever really get it perfect. But I've been doing them a lot more and they've been coming out okay. So that's why you just have to stay persistent, keep on trying. I do go in with a light coat of the polish. The polish was pretty pigmented, so I didn't have to go in with a second coat. And plus, since we're doing nail art over them anyways, it was perfect. So I started doing nails back in, I want to say 2017 or 18. Yeah, I was just obsessed with nails. Like, even though back then I didn't really do nails, I would watch the videos, I would watch how people did designs. And this is before TikTok and everything, so I would be on Facebook watching, memorize, and I'm like, I just want to do this so bad. Like, I know I could do it. I could do this. Plus, the shops that I was going to around my area, like, I would literally sit in their chair and yes, it was fast. Yes, it was efficient, in and out. But number one, my nails didn't last. Number two, every time I wanted a design or anything, and it's not like it was like a hard design, I would never get what I wanted, you know? So I was like, I got me a little acrylic kit from Amazon. I didn't want to spend, an arm and a leg, so I just got the basics, cuticle pushers, what else? Dehydrator, monomer, of course, primer. You really want to invest in a primer and dehydrator because that's what's going to make your nails last. A few drill bits. They have the safety drill bits in case, you're not really good with the drill or comfortable with the drill at first. And yeah, and then it was just up from there. I would practice on my friends, my mom, pretty much anybody that would let me do their nails. And trust me, my first couple of sets were horrendous. And I thought I was doing it. I thought they were really cute. But it's all part of the progress, staying consistent and just believing in yourself. This is just a passion of mine, and ever since I got that acrylic kit, I've been getting better and better and better. And you don't have to spend a lot of money on your nail supplies, guys. Like, there's affordable options out there. I really like Mia Secret. They're great. And once you get better, you can go ahead and start spending money on the expensive stuff. You do want to get expensive, quality stuff sometimes, because it does really make a difference in your work. And yeah, and that's how I started getting into nails, guys. Just being fed up with the shops around me. And it's crazy because people compliment me way more now that I do my nails than I did when I went to the salons around my area. It's just and it makes you feel so good. Yeah, I did that. Sometimes I'll be cocky, yeah, I did them myself. But most of the time I'm just thank you. But I am gonna get some business cards made because that's just another client I can gain. I don't really take a lot of clients right now just because I'm at my home and I have 2 kids. So I only take clients here and there, or I'll just practice on my Red Iguana practice hand, as you see here. So yeah, guys, let me know if you would like to see or hear more story times from me, or you kind of just the people that just like to sit back and listen to music while watching me do nails. Comment down below what you would rather, because I have a ton of story times for you guys, like crazy stories. So comment down below what you guys would rather see from me. If you watch my older videos, I apologize because my quality was horrible. Like, I just figured out how to get better quality on my phone to make clearer videos, but I'm really excited for my journey and I hope you guys are too. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here, and I am just gonna go ahead and let you guys sit back and watch the rest of the video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, eventful Memorial Day weekend. And as always, thank you guys for watching. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.